Welcome to 1403 Dreamscape Drive, nestled in Sun City, Hilton Head, one of the nation's premier 55-plus active adult communities. You couldn't build this home now at this list price and get the same features. This gently lived-in, oversized compass floor plan with an impressive 1,800 square feet. Is perfect for someone seeking almost new construction without the wait and with even more upgrades. A standout feature of this home is the 403 square foot Four Seasons room. Enjoy climate-controlled outdoor living with private, stunning views. With its cathedral ceiling, heating and cooling system, and beautiful views, this space is perfect for year-round enjoyment. The chef's kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line KitchenAid appliances, smart house wiring, and elegant lighting. It's a culinary delight and the heart of the home. Cozy up by the Dimplex Sierra electric fireplace and the spacious gathering area. It's perfect for relaxing evenings and adds a touch of warmth and elegance to the home. The luxurious primary suite features upgraded bath fixtures, a frameless shower, and matching wall and floor tiles, creating a perfect retreat after a long day. The garage boasts epoxy floors, a utility sink, and additional attic flooring for extra storage. 1403 Dreamscape is nearly new, practical, and stylish, and meets all your needs and has tremendous value being under $550,000. For questions or to schedule a showing, contact the David Dale team at 843-298-2052.